Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Infinix Note 30. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Infinix Note 30 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Infinix Note 30 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you will find here something say system. After click over system, you need to click here language and import, and then if you decide to change your language, you need to click here language and then you need to click here other language, and then you will see there is a bunch of language available. You can easily choose any language you want. For example, I want to choose this language, and after you choose, it will give you option, do you like to set this language in your default language? We're going to click here apply language. Now you can see I had successfully changed my phone language. If I go back, we will see my phone has successfully changed the language, and even I don't know that language. Actually, I want to share with you, maybe by mistakenly you have changed your phone language and you want to change them to English language. So for that you need to find out the setting icon. So we're going to jump over in this all apps, and then you need to try to find out this gear icon. So you need to click over there and then you will see skin appear just like this. You need to scroll all the way down until you find here this system or something, this icon. So you have to click over there and then you need to click the first one, and then you need to click again the first one, and then if you see your English language is here, it's fine. If it is not, you can click over this icon, this writing, and then you can easily choose any language you want. For example, I want to add this fancy car, and then we will see this pop-up up here. You can easily choose that, or if you decide to choose English, you can choose here from English. So in this simple way you can easily change language in your Infinix Note 30. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.